Most people think if an AI model gives accurate results, that's enough. It's not, because in many real-world situations, how a decision is made matters just as much as the decision itself. This is where explainable AI comes in. Without it, you're relying on systems that work, but you don't understand why they work. And that's dangerous, especially when those decisions affect people's lives. Think about this in a simple way. Imagine a bank rejects your loan application, but can't explain why. Or a healthcare system predicts a high risk for a patient, but doctors don't know what factors led to that prediction. Would you trust it? Probably not. This is the problem with black box models, systems that produce outputs without clear reasoning. They might be accurate, but they lack transparency. This issue has become more important as AI systems have grown more complex. Early models were simpler and easier to interpret, but modern machine learning models, especially deep learning, can be highly complex. Researchers like Cynthia Rudin have emphasized the importance of building models that are not only accurate, but also understandable. Because in critical systems, blind trust is not acceptable. In practical terms, explainable AI focuses on making models transparent. It answers questions like, which factors influence this decision? How important was each variable? What would change the outcome? Techniques like feature importance, decision trees, and model-agnostic explanations help break down complex models into understandable insights. The goal is not to simplify everything, but to provide enough clarity for humans to trust and verify the system. But here's the deeper issue. Lack of explainability can hide serious problems. Models can be biased, unfair, or based on flawed data. If you can't see how decisions are made, you can't detect these issues. That's how systems can unintentionally discriminate or produce harmful outcomes. So explainability is not just about understanding, it's about accountability. Now, with AI being used in finance, healthcare, hiring, and law, this becomes even more critical. Decisions in these areas have real consequences. That's why regulators and organizations are pushing for more transparency in AI systems. It's no longer optional, it's becoming a requirement. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't just to show you how AI works, it's to show you where it can fail. Because once you understand explainable AI, you stop blindly trusting outputs and start questioning the system behind them. And that's the difference between using AI and using it responsibly.